Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to fly a glider all the way from the 27th floor. So let's watch it till the end. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! It's gliding really nice. Let's see how far can it go. Wow, it's going up, just like oh my god, it's going right close to the pond. I think it will make a water landing. Oh boy. Super. Guys, if you want to learn how to make this kind of plane, then check out my next video I'm going to upload. This is basically a glider. Oh, it will land in the... Oh boy. Are you seeing how long its flight is? Right there. And it lands right there. So guys, let me just show you from where till where did it go. So it's actually still flying, but now the camera has lost a view of it. So it's actually, my society borders are right here, and it went right till there. Is it flying or what?
It's still
Oh, okay.
next to that one.
Oh,
Wow,
okay.
this is super cool.
So this is so cool, guys. You have to check out my next video how to make this glider. Thank you so much for watching it.
It's still flying.
Now it's stuck. Thank you so much for watching, guys.